Welcome back once again, dancing shoppers. We're in the Not Just Vintage shop. I've got my two favourite Betty Boops. They're going to assist me. And today we're going to continue with your favourite dance, the Rumba. The one that everybody finds is the most difficult. And today we're going to do a spot turn. Turns are very difficult for some people because it's the balance. And when you're doing a turn, you must always remember to centralise the body weight. Again, turns and spins. So if we do the spot turn, we start off stepping across on the right foot for 2, placing the weight in and making the turn for 3, replace, and then side and slightly back, and there's your floor 1. Don't forget, you still need to get the hip action all the way through, even though you're doing a turn. So as we take the first step, it's ball flat there, so we go into it, and the hip moves, and we turn. Then again, side, and as the heel goes down, we get that hip action. So you want a nice easy 2, 3, 4, 1. There's that finish again, 1, the transference of the weight. But if you watch the way the body moves as we step across, there we make the turn. Keep that body nice and central, because if you don't, your turn will go either backwards or it'll go forwards, and you won't get the smoothness with the turn. So your spot turn is take the step but keep the body nice and central. Imagine there's a pole going straight through the top of your head, well, maybe not. And then turn, turn, and turn. We won't do a spin today, but if you ever, when we do get to doing a spin, that is vital that the whole thing stays in the middle. Because when you do your spins, it's very easy to do that. It's very easy to do that. But if you think in terms of keeping that central pole through the middle and just moving around, you find the spins are easy, but don't try that yet. So for the gents, we've got stepping across the body there, spot turn, 3, 4, 1. And obviously the other way around for the ladies, stepping across the body. And the ball flat is very important there because you get that nice smoothness to the movement. So we've got step across into the ball flat, turn, 3, side, 4, 1. Complete it with the transfer of the weight. So again, rumba, nice and slow, stepping across, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's your spot turn.